In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Squarespace website. By the end of this quick and easy tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate review widgets into your site, enhancing its functionality and appeal. Let's get started. First, to access your Squarespace account, you'll need to log in, open your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace homepage. Look for the login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to a page where you can continue the login process. Next, choose the Continue with Google option. This is a convenient way to log in if your Squarespace account is linked to your Google account. By selecting this, you'll be able to access your websites without having to remember yet another password. Select the Google account associated with your Squarespace site and you're in. After you log in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the website to which you want to add the reviews. This will take you to the main editing dashboard of your site. Now, let's start editing your site. Head over to the edit section of your website. This link is usually found at the top of your site dashboard. Once you're there, it's time to add a new block to the site. We will use this to insert your review widget. On the page you're editing, look for an Add Block button, which is often represented by a small plus icon. Click on it and you'll find several options for different types of content blocks that you can add to your page. We'll be using the code block, so go ahead and select that from the list. In this code block, you'll notice a small pencil icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll enter the HTML or JavaScript code necessary to display your review widget. Make sure you already have this code handy, as it's what you'll paste into the block. Simply paste the widget embed code right into this section. Before finalizing it, you should take advantage of Squarespace's Preview in Safe Mode option. Clicking on Preview in Safe Mode allows you to see how your widget will appear on the site without actually publishing it for all the world to see just yet. It's a great feature to ensure everything looks good before going live. A quick note, if your widget uses JavaScript or any iframe embeds, you'll need to ensure you're on a professional plan or higher. These features are only available with premium plans, so you might need to consider upgrading if you haven't yet done so. This upgrade is essential to publish your site with these advanced features. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a review widget onto your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials on how to make the most out of your Squarespace site.